Hi guys, so it's our second time reaching, ano ba yan, Namayas ba yan? I think we're nearly in Timberland. Ilang kilometers na ng Timberland na po kami. So, our second time, the first time it was raining. Ay no, malapit na kami sa Timberland. Pero iba to, ano to? Amayas, ano ba to? Parang hotel resort gano'n. So, walking. Very beautiful here. Sobrang ganda dito. Lalo na paggabi. See that, guys? Wow! Finally, we've reached Timberland tourist spot. Ayan. Nandito dito, guys. So, ayan, meron pa. Doon pa. Hindi pa siya Timberland. Doon pa yung Timberland sa taas. Pero, diba? It's a goal unlocked that we finally reach here. Kasi, we always do walking every day, pero hanggang doon lang kami sa baba. But, ngayon, na-reach po namin dito sa taas. So, medyo malayo na po yung na-walking namin. Very cool here. Ay, may mga ginagawang lugar. Pang park. Here, guys. Amiya Raya, yes. We are already here at Amiya Raya. Let's check it. Dati walang hangin. Dapat hindi nila hinarangan dito kasi nasisira yung view. Ayun o. See that? Wow. Grabe guys. So beautiful. Whew. So, meron pa kami nga akyatin dyan hanggang Timberland. Ayan, meron po dito fireworks pala sa December 31. So, we are gonna go here on December 31 to see the fireworks display. So guys, ang ganda dito sobra. Hi guys, so sobrang natin na pala kami mula dun sa Amiya. So I see that. Already Timberland. Ganda dito guys, oh. Ang ganda dito. Ayan. Speed limit 30. Okay. Let's drive safely and maintain the speed limit. I go walking dito. Guys, this is it. Yes, we're already here at Timberland. So finally, it's an unlocked goal. As we finally reach. Baka bukas. Grabe yung sakit ng paa namin. Last time kasi when we came here, it was raining. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Nabukasan. Ang sakit ng mga paa namin, grabe. Ayun, kasama ko yung naka-t-shirt na 12. See? Yes. Finally. Then, pababa ulit. Pababa kami ulit mamaya. Pero, hindi na masyado pagpapawisan. Siguro sa pressure na lang sa mga muscles sa paa pagbaba. Kasi, matarik siya eh. So, masakit talaga siya. Pero, okay. Yan, see it? Oh my God, yes. Finally. Finally, guys. We've reached Timberland. Let's walking. So, after na tong video ko kasi I'm gonna take some pictures of those beautiful plants. Tsaka ibang sinawing, I'm gonna take some pictures. Bye guys.